Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos collection. It's an exotic bee. But before we get into this guys, make sure you hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this bee, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And well guys, let's go, let's get into it. So we have the magazine and the bug out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down and check that out. In the top here we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs, and here is the name of the bug that we got, the exotic bee. So let's open this up. Okay, so over here, it tells you the exotic bee, and then it gives its scientific name. And here you see a little description about this species of bee, a little bit about their habitats, as well as other observations here. And here you have a picture of the tile, but our bee looks a little bit different. It's the opposite way around. His head is here and his butt is here. It's not in that way, but we'll get to that when we get to that. And it just tells you the different parts here, like their head, their wings, their abdomen, that sort of thing. And let's see, over here and what would this be, hun? Cestillo?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. We call cesto to a basket here.
Oh.
You can say, I don't know, or like to a trash can, you can say el cesto de basura. Cestillo sounds like a small basket in Spanish, but I don't know if it's accurate. I don't know if it applies for this, but
okay,
well.
So it would be like basket bees?
Small basket bees, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
But look, I'm sorry, but it looks really cute with his little eyes. Don't you think he looks cute?
Yeah.
And he looks all fluffy looking.
Yeah.
And also guys, here it gives the scientific classification of these bees. And well, we're gonna turn the page and see what else we can see. So here it says typical bees, and here it gives some information about them. And in the center here you have a really big picture of one. That's one of the things I really like about this collection, is that in the magazines there are a lot of really cool drawings. And a lot of really nice pictures too. And well, let's continue on. So here it shows all of the different spots around the world that these bees live. So let's see. They live in North and in North America, but also, oh hey, we're in the danger zone. They live here too. Oh no. And speaking of that, I think it was last week we had a bee enter our apartment. I about had a panic attack. Not really, but basically, because I'm like, oh no, a bee!
Very often we have.
Yeah.
And we live here. So we have part, I guess.
Yeah. And here they show some other bees in different parts of the world. Here in Australia too. And here it tells you their main habitats. Tropical forest, gardens, fields of flowers, of course, and farms for growing there. And yay, my favorite flower. Sunflowers are my favorite flower. But well, let's open this up. And here it gives a bit more information about how they never stop working, because of course the honey that they make gives them lots of energy to go buzzing about. And here they are looking for food in the flowers. Well, I'm going to turn the page here. And here it says, a risky life. So here they're going to talk about some of their predators. Obviously, insectivorous birds, but also spiders and other bees are just some of their main predators. Oh well, I'm gonna turn here. And here it talks about their homes, a bit about their homes. Little baby bees. On. And here it says that these bees are cooperative and they're not very demanding. So they have these here. They can have their little houses here. So they make good little critters to study. And over here, they have some puzzles and quizzes for you to solve. And that's the end of that, guys. Now it's time to check out our new bee friend. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time for everybody's favorite part, the checking out the bug part. So here he is, our exotic bee. He looks really cool. I like him. He's a VP. And there's the back there. hi. And there's his little face. His front again. It looks really cool. And here's his back part. And well, now I'm gonna put him down on the table here. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're at it guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And also guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post a new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, tell me, what do you guys think about this Bichos collection? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, have a great day. Make today awesome. See you later. Bye.